Hi guys, this is Sabrina. We're gonna open some Easter eggs. This is one Jello. What is this anyways? I don't know. It's what's it called? White Play-Doh. A purple Play-Doh. And blue Play-Doh. So we're gonna open the purple Play-Doh. Oh my god, what is this?
Here comes the surprise.
Oh my gosh, it's a Mario. Oh my gosh, I never see that. I'm gonna open it. Ooh, you could stick it. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, you could stick it in. Oh my god, I didn't know that. Tick-a-doo. 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 Oh. You wanna open this? Here comes a surprise.
3, 2, 1.
Here's the thing. Wow. You could use it for lights. I never seen that. Here comes another surprise.
3, 2, 1.
What is it? Whoa. I love these. You look, I could take it off. Look.
Hey, those are mine.
No, those are mine.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. They were here.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Ready? Up. Up. Okay. And these are bracelets. They're cool. I never seen them. Here comes another one. What is it? It's a good one.
Here comes a surprise.
It's a happy face. Ding ding. Let me
Here
see what
comes a
is it.
surprise.
Take the blue off.
The ice. Here comes the surprise. 3, 2, 1.
What is this? Whoa! With bracelets. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Tell you with this. Okay, so it's just bracelets. And that's it. Bye bye guys. Done.